Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to create automation in Airtable. Let's dive right into the core steps. Airtable automations are powerful tools designed to streamline your workflows and eliminate repetitive manual tasks. By setting up these automations, you can significantly boost efficiency and ensure consistency across your data. We'll cover everything from initial setup to advanced configurations, helping you master this essential feature for any Airtable user. The first step in building an automation is defining its trigger. This is the event that kicks off your automated workflow. Airtable offers a wide range of triggers, such as when a record enters a view, when a record is updated, or when a form is submitted. Carefully consider what action or change in your base should initiate the automation. For instance, you might want an automation to run every time a new project is added to your project tracking table. Once your trigger is set, the next crucial step is to configure the action or actions that will follow. An action is what your automation actually does. This could be sending an email notification, creating a new record in another table, updating a field, or even integrating with external services. You can chain multiple actions together to create sophisticated, multi-step workflows, ensuring your base handles tasks exactly as you intend, saving you valuable time. Before you set your automation live, thorough testing is absolutely essential. Airtable provides a convenient testing feature that allows you to run your automation with sample data to ensure everything works as intended. Check that your triggers fire correctly and that your actions produce the desired results. Once you are confident in its functionality, you can activate the automation. Remember, you can always pause or edit automations later if your needs change.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.